Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. One word substitution for the competitive exams. Number 1. Audience. A number of people listening to a lecture. Number 2. Altruist. One who considers the happiness and well-being of others first. Atheist. A person who does not believe in God is called atheist. Anthropologist. Anthropologist. One who studies the evolution of mankind. Autocracy. Autocracy. Government by one person. Autobiography. Autobiography, the life history of a person written by himself. Amputate, to cut off a part of a person's body which is infected. Arsenal, arsenal, a place for ammunition and weapons. Archives, a place where government or public records are kept. Number 10. Amateur, a man who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession. Number 11. Aristocracy, government by the nobles. Number 12. Aquatic, animals or plants are here which live in water. Number 13. Amphibian, amphibian, animals which live both on land and sea. Number 14. Ambidexter, one who can use either hand with ease. Number 15. Alimony, allowance paid to wife on legal separation. Number 16. Anthology, a collection of poems. Number 17. Abdication, voluntary giving up of the throne in favor of someone. Number 18. Arbitrator, a person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute. Number 19. Astronomer, a person who studies stars, planets and other heavenly bodies. Number 20. Astrologer, a person who studies the influence of heavenly bodies on human beings. Number 21. Anthology, a collection of poems. Number 22. Axiom, a statement which is accepted as true without proof. Number 23. Agenda, a list of headings of the business to be transacted at a meeting. Number 24. Anarchist, one who is out to destroy all governance, law and order. Number 25. Almanac, an annual calendar with positions of stars. Number 26. Bigamy, the practice of having two wives or husbands at a time. Number 27. Bibliophile, a lover and collector of books. Number 28. Bouquet, a collection of flowers. Number 29. Bureaucracy, government by the officials. Number 30. Belligerent, a person, nation that is involved in the war. Number 31. Biennial, an event which happens once in 2 years. Number 32. Blasphemy, the act of speaking disrespectfully about sacred things. Number 33. Creche, a nursery where children are cared for while their parents are at work. Number 34. Cosmopolitan, a person who regards the whole world as his country. Number 35. Chauffeur, one who is employed to drive a motor car. Number 36. Curator, a person in charge of a museum. Number 37. Carnivorous, one who lives on flesh. Number 38. Cannibal, one who feeds on human flesh. Number 39. Contemporaries, belonging to or living at the same time. Number 40. Cloakroom, a place for luggage at the railway station. Number 41. Cynosure, the center of attraction. Number 42. Connoisseur, a critical judge of any art and craft. Number 43. Crusade, a religious war. Number 44. Choreographer, one who teaches dancing. Number 45. Cacographist, a person who is bad in spellings. Number 46. Calligraphist, a person who writes beautiful handwriting. Number 47. Cynic, one who sneers at the aims and beliefs of his fellow men. Number 48. Convalescent, one who is recovering health. Number 49. Cavalry, soldiers who fight on horseback. Number 50. Cardiologist, a person who is specialist in heart disease. Number 51. Cartographer, one who draws maps. Number 52. Dormitory, the sleeping rooms with several beds, especially in a college or institution. Number 53. Drawn, a game that results neither in victory nor in defeat. Number 54. Elegy, a poem of lamentation. Number 55. Epitaph, words which are inscribed on the grave or the tomb in the memory of the buried. Number 56. Ephemeral, lasting one day. Number 57. Effeminate, a person who is womanish. Number 58. Emigrant, a person who leaves his own country and goes to live in another. Number 59. Edible, fit to be eaten. Number 60. Egotism, practice of talking too much about oneself. Number 61. Encyclopedia, a book that contains information on various subjects. Number 62. Epicure, one who is devoted to the pleasure of eating and drinking. Number 63. Florist, one who deals in flowers. Number 64. Fastidious, one who is very selective in one's taste. Number 65. Fanatic or bigot, one who is filled with excessive and mistaken enthusiasm in religious matters. Number 66. Fatal, causing death. Number 67. Fatalist, one who believes in fate. Number 68. Facsimile, an exact copy of handwriting, printing extra. Please share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.